Hi guys, I'm in Hemsby all week grinding dirty great pop stumps. Yay! I've got this on hire demo from Ben Burgess. Thanks to Neil Hussey there. He's been a diamond. It's a good machine, vast improvement from the 50. Loads more power, loads more torque, loads more maneuverability. Yeah, just a good all-rounder. Eats through these. I mean, it's pop, so it's pretty soft. I'm running the Rhino system. If you can see, it's the single tooth there. I 100% recommend using those on this machine if you're going to run this machine at all, whether it be to hire or to buy, or obviously green teeth, because they're just a brilliant cutting system. I use those on my 38RX. However, the multi-tip, they're just terrible on this, so definitely use the Rhino. Same company, just a different model. They produce really good big swarf when they're sharp. Just replace the two leaders. They've got a really good wear time. Actually, I was really surprised. I can do probably 5 or 6 big stumps before they start to really dull off, depending obviously what's in there. I'm only grinding probably 6 to a foot beneath ground level because that's what the clients requested. They don't want anything deeper. I've been going more to a foot just because it's easier with a cutting head bouncing on top of the stump just to go down further. It's just a better way of doing it. I was filming from up there, so it's hard to see exactly what I was doing. So if you apologies about the sort of stuttering on occasions when it's digging in, I couldn't quite see the depth I was going to. But yeah, good machine. I've got the 38, as I said, the RX. Highly recommend that. Best machine on the market as far as I'm concerned for narrow access. This is brilliant as well. Yeah, good machine.